Hey guys, Warren here from Bronx Training with another video. Today we're going to cover over the back squat and how to perform a back squat efficiently and safely, okay? So first things first, okay, this is probably something you're going to be attempting if you've already got a decent squat. So maybe you've been doing some goblet squatting around the gym, or maybe you've been on the leg press or hack squat quite a lot. You're looking to progress that a little bit further, okay? Obviously, a barbell back squat is one of our best options to take our strength to the next level there. Now, first thing is if you come up to a squat bar in a rack, okay, and it's got one of these pads on it, let's get rid of that, okay? Useless, okay? If you do have one of those pads on a bar, it is going to create a lot of instability. Okay, the bar's going to move around a lot on your back straight away. As soon as it leaves the rack, as soon as it leaves the stability of the rack, it's going to move around a lot. So get rid of those. You've got traps, okay? You've got a nice spot on your back for your bar. You definitely don't need one of those, all right? First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to approach the bar in the rack with a grip that feels comfortable for my shoulders. So I'm going to go out a little bit wide, okay, and you'll adjust that grip in or out depending on your preference. All right, I like to have the grip out a little bit wider. It does provide some extra stability to the bar when it's on my back, okay? So I'm going to take a wideish grip on the bar, okay? I'm going to move under the bar, find the spine of that shoulder blade and dig in, okay? And now here we go. This is the part that I see a lot of people mess up. 2 feet under the bar and unrack it, okay? Take 1 step, 2 steps, and we're ready to go. Find that squat position for your feet, so just outside your pelvis, okay? Toes maybe turned a little bit on the out as well, okay? And from here, I'm gonna actually pull that bar down. I'm gonna pull it down nice and tightly into that shoulder blade position, okay? Once I've got that, driving the hips back, knees out, coming down into my squat, and I come back up, okay? I might need to adjust, okay? Might need to adjust my grip or my foot position, but essentially, I'm tipping into that squat, hips travel down towards my ankles, and I'm coming back up. Gonna rack that bar back in, and I've performed a nice, safe barbell back squat. There's heaps of things that we could go over inside a back squat video, where our feet should be, what our back should look like, how deep should we go, but really, rather than get caught up in semantics, find a nice position on the bar that feels comfortable is one of the biggest factors I see when people are coming into this for the first time. Finding a nice squat position where they're able to access a little bit of depth to that squat, okay? And just making sure that you pick an appropriate load to begin with. A bar is actually fine, and then, you know, load up incrementally over a period of time, okay? You'll know when it's too heavy because you won't be able to squat to an appropriate depth, and that's a common problem I see a lot of people fall into. Too much weight on the bar, not able to access a good, nice, deep position in their squat, not gonna get the gains out of it that we want. So hopefully that helps you guys out a little bit with your squat, and stay tuned for the next video.